this video, I'll show you how to turn any photo into a professional AI photo shoot using a free AI tool. I am Success. Welcome to Grow with Success. On this channel, I'll show you how to use AI tools to create amazing content, save time, and even make money online. If you're interested in free AI tools that save you time and money, consider subscribing because that's exactly what this channel is all about. Now let's get started. Okay, first of all, we are using just two apps for this tutorial, and one of the apps we are using is Pinterest. Then secondly, we are using Chat GPT. Okay, so let's just head straight into our Pinterest, and what we are going to do right here is we are searching for a photo, and we are searching for a photo shoot photo. Like, okay, you already have your own photo on ground before, like your own personal photo, right? Or you can look for any other photo on Pinterest here and use first, and and try and master it and see if you can really do it yourself, so that when you now do your own photo, you will now do a better job with that. Okay, so let's just try and find okay, let's search for a photo shoot. Okay, we'll search photo shoot. Okay, then we'll click on enter. Okay, we are seeing some nice photos in here. Yeah, so you just have to pick the particular one you want. Okay, so let's just say, okay, I think I like this one, so let's use this one. Okay, click on it. I'll click on it, then we'll save it. Okay, the image is downloaded to our gallery right away. So what we are going to do next is we are now going to Chat GPT. Yes, I mean Chat GPT. So we'll click on Chat GPT. Okay, and press the plus button. This plus button that is here, we'll press it, click on it, then you add photo. Okay, click on photo, then you now have to pick your own photo. Okay, you pick your own photo and also pick the one you downloaded from Pinterest. So let's see, let's use this one. Let's use this one. Click on it, then we'll click on this one we downloaded from Pinterest. Okay, so we press done. We press done, then this is what you are going to type. Okay, your prompt should be a Chat GPT, I want you to be a professional image director. Okay, so I want you to make a professional AI photo shoot using my real image, which is the first one. Okay, which is the first one. Yes, so I will now go ahead and say one, turn my image into the second one. Yeah, into the second image, but let my face or let my face remain. Let it be untouched. Let it be what? Untouched. Okay? Then two, you now write again. Um change my hair. Change my hair to that of the second reference image, to that of the second reference image. Okay, then three, you now say, okay, I want the outfits, I want the full outfits of the second image, and just the way she sat on the chair, I want you to make me sit like her, but let my own chair be be the one of high end, and give me a nice posure. Okay, a nice pose, a nice pose, just as the second image. Okay, then this is what you will say. You know that the second in our reference image is not wearing shoe. Okay, so we'll not tell GPT, okay, to fix our leg with a shoe. Okay, so ChatGPT will fix our legs with shoe. So I want you to what? To fix our legs. I want you to fix, okay, my legs with a luxurious shoe that fits, no, that complements the outfits. Okay, okay. And five, we're going to say, okay, I want the background, I want the background to be almost same as the second image, but let mine be let mine be more beautiful. Okay, be more beautiful. Okay, and yeah, and okay, let us end it here. All right, so what are we going to do next? Okay, number 6, we are going to tell ChatGPT to make us up, but our face should remain the same. On no account should ChatGPT change our face. We don't need any other face. We just need it our face. But let ChatGPT make us up. Okay. So let's go ahead. So I want you to give me I want you to give me okay, a professional makeup, but let my face stature remain the same. Remain the same. Okay? Remain the same. Yeah. So I want you to give me a professional makeup, but let my face stature remain the same. Then she's putting on a white top plus a blue jeans. Okay. So let's say we want a red lipstick because red lipstick is going to pop out more. Okay. So I want a red cherry lipstick. Okay. A defined eyebrow. Okay, eyebrows, and a long lash. The face should be contoured. Okay, contoured. The face should be lightly contoured. Okay, I don't need over makeup, like, so I need something light. The face should be lightly makeup, like like a nude makeup. Yeah, like a nude makeup. Okay, so let's read the number one. Okay, number one says it turn my image into the second image, but let my face remain. Let it be untouched. Two, change my hair to that of the second reference image. Three, I want the full outfit of the second image and just the way she sat on the chair. I want you to make me sit like her, but let my own chair be the one of high end and give me a nice pose, just as the second image. Four, I want you to fix my legs with a luxurious shoe that complement the outfit. Five, I want the background to be almost same as the second image, but let mine be more beautiful. Six, I want you to give me a professional makeup, but let my face stature remain the same. I want a cherry lipstick, a defined eyebrows, a long lash. The face should be lightly makeup, like a nude makeup. So we are going to click enter. So once we click enter, so we'll now wait for ChatGPT to come out with our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful result. Okay, so let's just click on enter. So we are going to wait for a while because some people, they don't have money to go for a photo shoot. Maybe you might want to do your birthday, but you're out of cash. This way you can be able to do a professional photo shoot for yourself. You don't even need to visit photographer to get a photo shoot done. With this, you can be able to get what you want. All right. So let's just wait for our image to be ready. We are going to be blown away. I can't wait to see what we've created. Okay. Okay. Boom. Oh my God. Can you see this? Like, really? Can you really, 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 really see this image? So we now have our image. So we go ahead to download it, okay, into our gallery. All right. I love the red shoe, the pointed heel. I just love it. Okay. This is really great. And this face and the one and that of our own image, it looks way alike and it's the same thing. Everything is just the same thing. Okay, so you can go ahead and customize and say, okay, you want some wristwatch, you want bangles, you want earring. Just depends on anything you want. Just tell ChatGPT to give it to you, and voila, your photo shoot image is ready. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you for staying with me till now. May God bless you and reward you. Go ahead and try it yourself and show me your own results, okay? Because I can't wait to see yours. All right. My next upload, because my next upload is coming on Monday. All right. See you. Bye.